So hi friends. Yeah, it's a wonderful morning. I'm still waiting for my breakfast. Yeah, I ordered some oats and fruits. Yeah, and the Kori Kori version here in the UCC. What's good about? Yeah, so it's a wonderful day. So, what's the latest? What about trending topics right now? Aside from politics, US Trump winning the election. Yeah. Anyway. So let me tell you something about my plans for cycling. Yeah. So I recently purchased a carbon frame Niner. Yeah. I've been wanting to have a carbon fiber frame by Niner, the RLT RDO. And hopefully dumating siya by end of the month. Yeah. So hopefully first week of December meron tayong bike build. Yeah, Christmas gift ko na sa sarili ko yun. Yeah. So abangan ninyo. Yeah, I'm gonna have my Niner RLT RDO bike build. Yeah. Well, probably you can say it's like a dream bike build. Yeah, for me. Kasi that will be my first ever carbon fiber bike. So ang plans ko, I buy the frame. I bought the frame actually, the stem and the seat post, puro carbon fiber. So it's gonna be a full carbon fiber built bike. Yeah, my current wheel set, it's already carbon fiber. So yeah, stem, the entire cockpit, stem, handlebar, all carbon fiber, of course the fork, the frame, the seat post, and the wheel set. Yeah, everything carbon fiber, and then the only alloy remaining will be my group set. Yeah, I have a Shimano Ultegra Di2 electronic group set, 12 speed. Yeah, so I'm pretty stoked about it. Yeah, so hopefully I can share the video, the bike build with you guys soon. Yeah, it will be my Christmas gift para sa sarili ko. Yeah. So what do I plan to do with my current alloy Niner RLT 9? This is an alloy aluminum bike build. Yeah. So I've been using this bike for like 4 years I think, or 3 years. Yeah, 3 years. Going 4 years. And I don't know yet. It's either I keep this bike or I'm gonna sell it. But di ko pa alam kung sino buyer. But yeah, most likely, I don't know yet. Who knows, right? But yeah, unahin natin yung bike build natin. Yep. So guys, I'll see you guys soon with my next, probably my December Christmas dream bike build video. Yeah. Alright. Tagal naman ng breakfast ko. Sana dumating na. So there's my coffee. Yeah. Ang tawag dito, Kori Kori. Yeah, this is my Kori Kori by UCC. Sarap ko. Kori Kori UCC. Yeah. Daming milk. Sana hindi masira yung ating chan. Yes. So it's an iced coffee. Yeah. So ice cubes yung coffee. Pagkatapos yun, we're gonna pour ambient temperature na milk, and we have the Kori Kori. Yeah. So kanya-kanyang trending product lineup mga coffee. So for some reason, coffee boom here in the Philippines is crazy. Yeah. Daming cafe, not just in the metro, but also in the countryside or even provinces. dami. Especially now, I can say that, yeah, Batangas, ang dami. Especially Batangas, yeah, coffee. Yeah, ang dami coffee farms doon. So, you know, Batangas coffee, the most famous is Barako, di ba? So, yeah. You could actually enjoy Barako coffee if ever you're in Batangas. Let's say, in Lipa, ang dami doon. Yeah, so, along near Malarayat, sobrang daming cafe. And I can say that kahit anong cafe doon worth visiting. Yeah. You should try their coffee lineup there. Yeah. You won't be disappointed. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, let's enjoy our coffee today. Good morning everyone. Yeah. So hopefully dumating na yung breakfast meal